Welcome to this video tutorial for the Lumex Select AeroComfort LS900 Anti-Decubitus Air Alternating Pressure Mattress System. This advanced medical device is designed to prevent and manage pressure ulcers by promoting blood circulation and reducing pressure on tissue contact areas. With features like true low air loss, alternating pressure therapy, and a capacity to support patients weighing up to 1,000 pounds, this system ensures optimal patient care. Let's get started. Place the Lumex Select AeroComfort LS900 mattress on the bed frame with the logo at the foot end. Use the straps to securely fasten the mattress to the frame, ensuring it doesn't slide or shift. Verify that the mattress does not interfere with the bed's adjustment mechanisms. Next, hang the power unit on the footboard using the provided hanger hooks. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet and connect the mattress air hoses to the power unit using the quick couplings. Ensure the hoses are free of bends or kinks. To turn on the system, press the power button. The backlight will flash green during initialization, and then remain steady green when the system is ready. Set the patient's weight using the control panel. The system accommodates weights between 80 and 1,000 pounds. Adjust the setting if the mattress feels too soft or firm, ensuring patient comfort. Choose the appropriate therapy mode. Static mode maintains constant low pressure for maximum support. Dynamic mode alternates pressure to promote blood circulation. You can adjust the cycle time from 5 to 25 minutes in 5-second intervals. Max inflation mode inflates the mattress to maximum pressure for nursing care or patient transfers. DBE mode alternates between maximum inflation and the selected weight setting for deep breathing exercises. Upright mode prevents the patient from bottoming out when sitting upright. Position the patient on the mattress, ensuring they are centered with their head resting on the head air cells. To clean the system, turn off the power unit and unplug it. Wipe the power unit with a damp cloth and mild detergent. For the coverlet, detach it from the mattress and clean it using approved disinfectants. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the materials. Regularly inspect the air filter, hoses, and mattress for damage. Replace the air filter as needed to maintain optimal performance. If you notice any wear or damage, contact your distributor for assistance. This system is equipped with alarms for low pressure, power failure, and service needs. For example, if you hear a low pressure alarm, check the hoses and ensure they are securely connected. For a power failure alarm, ensure the power cord is plugged into a functional outlet. If issues persist, consult the user manual or contact your distributor. Always follow these safety guidelines. Never leave a patient unattended without securing the side rails. Regularly reposition the patient to prevent pressure ulcers. Avoid placing the system near open flames or heat sources. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Lumex Select AeroComfort LS900 system. By following these steps, you can ensure proper setup, operation, and maintenance of this advanced medical device. For more information, refer to the user manual or contact your distributor. Stay safe and take care.